You've watched 50 strategy videos. You've got 4 indicators on your chart. You've read the books, and you're still losing money. That's not a coincidence. That's not bad luck. There's a specific reason you suck at trading, and it has nothing to do with strategy. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, and you're not going to like the answer. Hey, welcome back to Tradezo. Every trader watching this thinks their problem is a missing piece. One more indicator, one more course, one more secret setup, and it'll finally click. It won't, because the real reasons traders fail are almost never on the chart. They're sitting right behind your screen. Let's get into it. Reason 1. You're solving the wrong problem. Every losing trader I've ever talked to says the same thing. I need a better strategy. No, you don't. Most retail strategies, even the basic ones, are profitable if followed exactly. The problem isn't the strategy. It's that you don't follow it. You take the trade, your plan told you to skip. You exit early because you got nervous. You hold longer because you were hoping. None of that is a strategy problem. That's an execution problem, and no new indicator fixes execution. If you've switched strategies more than 3 times this year, that's your answer right there. You're not missing a system. You're missing the discipline to run one. Reason 2, you're trading for the wrong reward. Here's something nobody tells you. A lot of trading isn't about money. It's about the feeling, the rush when a candle goes green, the itch to do something when the market's moving and you're sitting out. That itch is why you revenge trade after a loss. It's why you take a trade out of boredom on a slow day. You're not chasing profit in that moment, you're chasing a dopamine hit, and the market is happy to take your money in exchange for it. Ask yourself honestly, did you enter that last trade because your setup showed up, or because you just wanted to be in a position? If you can't answer that clearly, that's the leak. Reason 3, your edge is a story, not a system. Most traders think they have an edge. What they actually have is a memory of the trades that worked and a habit of forgetting the ones that didn't. That's called selective memory, and it's brutal in trading because it lets you believe you're better than your actual numbers. If you've never sat down and logged 50 trades with entry, exit, and reason for both, you don't have an edge. You have a hunch that's occasionally been right. An edge is something you can write down, backtest, and repeat the exact same way every time. If you can't explain your setup in 2 sentences, it's not a system, it's a vibe. Reason 4, you manage risk after you're already in pain. Watch how most people place a stop loss. They enter the trade first. Then, once the price starts moving against them, they start deciding where to get out. That decision is now happening under stress, with money already on the line, and stress makes people move stops further away instead of respecting them. Real risk management happens before you click buy, not after. Your stop loss, your position size, your max loss for the day, all of that gets decided when you're calm, not when you're already down and hoping for a bounce. If your stop loss has ever moved after you entered a trade, you didn't have a stop loss. You had a suggestion. Reason 5, you're benchmarking against a fake standard. Every day you're scrolling past screenshots of huge green trades, funded account payouts, and traders flexing Lambos. What you're not seeing is the 90 losing trades behind that one post. That constant exposure quietly resets your idea of what normal looks like. A steady 3 to 5% monthly return starts to feel boring, so you size up, take setups you'd normally skip, and chase the kind of numbers you saw online. That's not a strategy decision. That's social pressure disguised as ambition. The traders who actually last are the ones who stopped comparing their process to someone else's highlight reel. So here's the question you actually need to sit with. If your strategy has a positive win rate on paper, and the only variable that's different between your backtest and your live account is you, then what exactly are you optimizing when you go looking for a new indicator? You're not fixing your trading. You're avoiding looking at the one variable you're actually scared to fix. You don't suck at trading because of your strategy. You suck at trading because of what you do with it once it's live. Fix execution, fix your reason for entering, log your actual edge, plan your risk before you're in pain, and stop measuring yourself against a highlight reel. If this hit different, subscribe. We drop a new one every week. Which of these 5 hit you the hardest? Tell me in the comments.